Are you tired of spending hours transcribing audio files, feeling like the work never ends? Well, stick around because today I'm sharing 7 transcription hacks nobody is talking about. Hacks that will save you time, keep your sanity intact, and maybe even make transcription, dare I say, fun? Let's face it, AI transcription tools like Otter.ai or Whisper are a game changer. But here's the twist. Don't rely on them to get it 100% right. Let the AI do the heavy lifting, then swoop in with your editing skills to polish it up. It's faster and more accurate than starting from scratch. Next up, the unsung hero of transcription tools, the foot pedal. This bad boy lets you pause, rewind, or fast-forward audio with your feet, leaving your hands free to type at lightning speed. You'll feel like a transcription ninja. Ever heard of working in short bursts? Try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. It keeps your brain fresh and your fingers flying over the keyboard. Ctrl+S to save, Ctrl+Z to undo. You know the basics, but go deeper. Learn shortcuts for your transcription software. For example, in Express Scribe, you can set custom shortcuts to insert timestamps or skip silence. These tiny hacks shave off minutes that add up to hours over time. Clear audio is key to accurate transcription. Invest in noise-canceling headphones to block out distractions and catch even the faintest whispers. Your ears will thank you. Create a glossary for recurring terms, names, or phrases in your niche. Use text expanders to autofill these terms while typing. It's a lifesaver for industry-specific jargon. If you're working on similar projects like meeting minutes or podcast transcripts, use a template. Pre-format headers, speaker labels, and time codes so you can dive straight into the transcription instead of fiddling with formatting. There you have it. 7 transcription hacks that'll transform the way you work. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips that make life as a transcriber a whole lot easier. See you next time.